View collection. This is the main entrance to a mall in right near our hotel. There's a canal, and a little hard to see at night, but we'll have to back in. What do you think of this, Tina?
I like it a lot. It's really fun and beautiful.
Healers, breeders. That's the entrance to our hotel, right inside the mall. Terrible place to be. You don't want to spend money. Starbucks are all over the place. I have no idea where that many Starbucks are. Sandwiches and burgers there. And then you have ice cream. There's your cooking. Did we come in with?
Got upgraded for our IHG points. We got upgraded to the 9th floor. And we walked into this gorgeous, beautiful room. So we're just going to give you a little room tour. Just going to pan around. It's got a nice, comfy bed. It's got a little stand to put your suitcase on. The ceilings are very high, and the curtains are gorgeous. There's lots of lighting. You can set all these different lights for different things. Kind of a night light, full sun. This is an under the cabinet light for over here. Maybe at night, in the middle of the night, if you need a little light. There's some pretty artwork and this uplighting behind the bed. It's gorgeous, and the pillows are nice and comfy. Can't wait to snuggle in there. There's a little bit of a view. It's kind of got a sign up, so it's not the best view, but you can get a glimpse of what's out there. A few nice things. We have some lovely chairs, and they gave us some complimentary water. In the in-room dining menu, you've got the coffee machine and the teapot, a little kettle to warm water. You've got some downlighting with the TV. That's a good sized television. You've got a little place to do your computer work if you need to. There's a safe. Oh, and there's another row. I saw one in the bathroom too. And there's a little mini fridge. Perfect. There's also places to hang your clothes. And they have a laundry service. And you can get out the ironing board and the iron as well. Nice little compact ironing board. It's a really nice size room. Not super large, but just big enough for what we need to do. And then, of course, your room key controls the thermostat. So you have to put your room key in before you can turn on the lights and the thermostat and all the electricity. The bathroom is nice and big, and it's got the beautiful backlit mirror. It's got a waterfall shower with the linear drain. Love the linear drain. It's so beautiful. This is a very nice hotel. With that nice linear drain. It comes with all of your shampoo products and even a handheld shower. Also has a hairdryer. And it's got Kleenexes down there. And it's got the 2 different flushes. Lots of extra towels underneath. This lovely little sink. And a robe hanging. I can't wait to try that on as well. So we're really pleased with our room. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.